Oh, what the fuck is so today I'm going to be making a game with ChatGPT. So give me an idea about making a game in Unity. Unity. So I need to create a map which is basically like a maze. So I will start working on that. Now ChatGPT does say that it needs to be procedural, but I need to still make the basics. Let's play it and see if the player controller works. Okay, now we can play the game. This is nice and smooth. Yes, okay, nice. Let's see, let's click on play. Let's see. Okay, nothing happened. Object reference not sent. Okay, there's an error. Let's give this error. Boom. It's nice. Let's run that back. Now it was somewhere there. Okay, yeah, there they are. Okay, that is interesting. Oh, what the fuck is this shit, bro? Okay, I can move on to platforms. Now, should I keep it like this? Or I don't know. Fuck. 6. So let's do that. Save and let's run this. So now it should be covered like an actual maze. I will need to move the player inside there. Okay, yeah. That looks like a closed box now. That's exactly what I wanted. Now I can go into the scene here. And I can get my player in this little maze. Okay, this is very interesting because it generated that on the same level, so I need to screenshot this. But the maze itself is down below, like only this thing is able to generate, and also there is no roof, there is no bottom. So okay, I think this is the roof and the bottom. I think that's what it tried to do, but I need to tell it everything, I guess. I told it to forget about the old system and make a new system that only works with one wall prefab, and it uses only that. That's it, I think. Let's get the new script. Yeah, that is what I was thinking. ChatGPT is so lazy, bro. It generates so less lines of code and then it says, this doesn't work. Let's make this wall into a prefab. Boom, boom. Let's give it the wall. Boom, and now let's see it generate an actual maze just by one prefab. Okay, that already looks better. Yes, this is so much better. Oh my god, I think I did it. I did it. Wait, what the fuck? I did it my way. I told it to make the maze more complex and fix the position of the floor, and also just just make it more complex and fix some weird bugs. Let's increase the size of the maze now. So I think it's a bit smaller right now. And whatever else, I'll keep it to whatever GPT said. Let's see if this is all fixed and if the floor thing was right. And okay, the floor thing still messed up. Oh shit, there's a lot of things messed up. I hard coded or hard placed the floor myself to match the maze. I remember. Yes, okay. Let's see if it made it any complex. Okay, I think it did. Yes, nice. This is nice. Now let's see if I can find the big room. Okay. I think this is it. And this is the big room, the center of the maze. And yeah, boom. Gaming. Maze is complete. Yes, I like this. You can drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. It's all free.